Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise from your video using Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already created a project on Filmora and I'm going to remove the background noise from this video. Wait, I'm going to show you the original video guys. Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is my tutorial video. I'm going to show you how you and then if we want to remove the background noise, we can use AI Denoise feature. You can go to the audio menu right here and then you will be able to find AI voice enhancer and you can use the noise. Wait, I'm going to scroll down and you can see the AI Denoise feature and then you just need to activate this feature and you just need to wait until it can reach 100%. It's still processing guys and I think it's done, so let's go back. Oops, no, it's not done yet because my video is long, so it depends on your video duration guys. Okay, and now the AI Denoise feature has been activated guys, and here you can customize the AI Denoise intensity. I'm just going to make it 100. Okay guys, and that's how we can remove background noise from our video using Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.